best practices using the grid in a file. So you see these columns here. So if you create a grid, you basically use grids for arranging elements on a screen, right? And we'll be talking about it in detail in our grids and layouts class, but I want to introduce it to you so that when you are doing your next task, you are aware of it. So here grids are used to create larger containers of information. For example, when you see different thumbnails of articles in different websites, those are containers inside which you will have information, for which you use this grid. So you will snap those containers on the columns of the grid. But you don't do it for smaller things. For example, the content inside the container, right? For which you will use rules like spacing, how much spacing should be there, right? Box model. So from left it should be 18, from top it should be 24. It's like that. So for larger containers, you use columns of grids. For things inside a container or smaller components, you don't use it. Okay.